Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we're going to make some tags, booklets, or accordion or concertina booklets, whatever you guys want to call them. You're more than welcome. Little idea just came out, just thinking about what else can we do with our Christmas tags, and there you go. So today, I don't know if it's like you guys, but sometimes I think to myself, oh, this project takes 5 more minutes. 2 hours later, I'm still here. Okay guys, so before we crack on with everything, I just want to give you a big news I have shared on Monday videos, but in case you missed it, finally I'm happily proud to say that my website is now changed slightly. So when you guys make a purchase and you buy my kit, normally I would send the PDF on an email, so I will just going through all the orders and dispatch manually the digital files on your email. Now my website, it works just like Etsy. Yay, finally, big news. So sorry it took me so long, but I finally managed to get it working that way. I'm not very computer savvy, so it took me quite a long time. So now guys, when you buy any kits from my website on your account, you'll be able to download it straight away, so you don't have to wait for me anymore. So yes, finally, big news. And also just want to say that I'm fully aware that last week newsletter has not been sent. I have got lots of different messages and emails from you guys. I can only apologize, but unfortunately there was a glitch in the software. I use a software when I send out all the newsletter on a Friday, so there was a problem in there. So I have sent an email to the customer service. They were very apologetic, and they said that they should have been resolved by Monday evening. So hopefully by the time you watch this video, you would have got last week's newsletter. So I can only apologize for that. So today we're gonna play with a kit from the lovely Tracy Fox Creative. As you guys are aware, I'm part of Tracy Fox creative team. Very happy. I love Tracy and I love her work, and I'm very happy and proud to support her business. So I love this kit. So it's called Glad Tidings. It's a huge kit. It's got quite a lot of pages. I print them all out so you can see it. I'm going to go through really quickly. You got background papers. Love these with the poinsettias. Love that. I love the colours on these, but if I put it straight. Then you've got the tags, which we're going to work today. So what I want to do, I want to make like a book, a tags book, but I'll articulate everything in just a minute. So you've got all these huge, the very big tags. So I want to do like a concertina sort of system. Love these. But they're all different size. I love this graphic. Love it. Love a bird. And then in the kit you've got some bubbles, some mini tags. Love these. And more bigger tags. So it's a huge kit. And that's another background. And that is as well. I love the bird. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and I will put Tracy's link of this kit if you want to purchase it in the description box, so you take straight to Etsy, Tracy's Etsy shop. But what I want to do, I want to use my tag. This is a new Christmas kit that I have on my website. It's called Christmas Tags, of course. It's not called Summer Holidays in Malta. So yeah, so you've got 3 pages, and there are 8 tags on each page. So you've got 24 tags in total. So love these. So you've got one page with all different background. You've got a vintage tags in there. I just printed and played with all different texture, different prints. You've got some vintage ones in here, some black and white. Again, I want a very eclectic kit, so you guys can mix and match this as you want. Love that. And these. So love that. And then what I did, but don't ask me how, because every printer is different. So this is a page A4. Okay, so I printed in one page. Then my printer gives me the option, how many pages do you want to print into one page? So on this option, I select 2 pages into one page, and they give me this option. So you scale these into 2. Okay, so that gives you this variation. So you could get another 24 smaller tags. Okay, so just something to think about as well. The reason why 24, I thought if you guys do, I saw on Pinterest quite a lot of advent calendars made with tags. So they do like tags and a little, put it on top on a little box. So it was quite a nice idea. So I thought if you guys want to do something like that, you've got 24 options. Yeah, again, this kit will be linked down below. So what the first thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to create the concertina booklet. So what you need a piece of A4 or a 12 by 12, anything you guys have in your stash. I'll go ahead and cut my tags. They're not all 24s. I only cut 2 sheets. And what I did, guys, because I print everything on copy paper first and then I decided what to do with it, I mount my tags into, I have a bag. What is it here? So I have a little bag with all my scrap paper. You guys have one of these in your craft room. I'm sure you do. We all have one. So before I got 2. So this is just literally scraps of papers that I have. So what I did to make my tags very steady, I used some of the scraps, not necessarily Christmas. I mean, this is a gold shiny paper. Then I used some black, plain pink. I had some of this cardstock, and I had this is my favorite. It's a very old Stampin' Up design series paper. I can't remember the name, but I love because it's got gold, because a lot of the tags has got a bit of gold in it. So yeah, you just want to mount them in something a bit steadier. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to fussy cut Tracy's bigger tags. So let me just get, yeah, so those ones here, the bigger ones. So probably gonna use a few of those, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, before I show you what I made today, you guys have asked me the dimension of this on the letter, on the envelope on Monday's video. So it is 5.5 by, call it 3 3/4. This is the I know you guys, I received so many comments and email about this. Thank you. This is the letter to Santa kit. It's a 3 pages kit, and I know you guys loved it. And I was telling you about on Monday's video, Jamie is gonna do me one. So he's gonna fill it up, draw his face, and then he's gonna give it to me, and then I will pass these on to Santa, so Santa can buy my husband's present. Yes, welcome to my household. This is my husband, but never mind, he's been nice, so he's really deserve it. But I have been nice too, mischievously but nice. So yeah, so this is the 3 pages kit in case you guys want to check it out, and that's the finished dimension of the letter. Right, so let me show you what I made. 2 versions. Let me show you the first version. So the first version is a booklet that opens like this. Okay, so what I simply did, I add a little pocket on the back. It's just literally a band, and then glued it there. I have used a contrast cardstock, and on this one I've done it opposite, so you've got the music note as a pocket. So this is option number 1, and I kept it very simple because it's all about the tags. But you could distress this in gold, for example, because I was thinking to do that, and I said, no, Antonio, don't. Keep it simple for once. So that is what the booklet looks like. So that is the front, the cover, and then you got all the different sections, and it opens like this. Okay, so that's that kind of the inside, because it's not a front or back, but it's kind of like an inside and an outside. If this white cardstock bothers you, you can again distressed with some ink or some wax. It doesn't bother me at all, and I quite like it because it's actually give it really nice frame. So that's options number one. So again, when you open it, it opens like this, so you get all the mini tags. Okay, and you can play it. You can put photographs. You can journal it for December if you wanted to, and that is the back. On this one here, I actually put a little ribbon, so you can do the same. And the only difference in here, I glued it in a way that when it opens, so that's the front cover, call it cover, and that's the back. Okay, so when it opens, it can stand like that on its own. I mean, this could stand. Yeah, it can stand. Depends how much you fill it. But I thought on this one, it's quite nice to give it that sort of like star shape. It's the same, exactly the same principle. You just glue the two pages together. So again, that's the front, that's the inside. See, and I put the music notes paper at the reverse. So done two variations. So that's the pocket, and that's the background. That's the background. That's the pocket. Just to do something a bit interesting, very festive. And that you've got your little tags, and that's the back. So again, something a bit different. I mean, you can give this as to your crafty friends if you do Christmas happy mail, because I mean, who doesn't love a tag book? I love to receive one of these. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like these two little variations on the same project. I can't put it straight now. It's just to give you some ideas of what to do with printables, and you know, this is fantastic. If you wish to purchase Tracy's kit, I will put a link down below. If you wish to purchase my kit, guess what, I will put the link down below. So you see all the links down there, guys. Before we go, big thank you goes to Jennifer today. I put Jennifer's message on the screen. As you guys know, I read and reply to every single comment on my channel, every emails and every messages that you guys leave me on my Facebook group. So feel free to join. It's a very interactive platform that you can find everything in there, and also every Friday I share a freebie on my Facebook group as well, so you're more than welcome to join, guys. Lovely message to Jennifer from Jennifer to say that she really enjoyed the freebie, and also that she purchased the Autumn on the Fields kit and she loved it. Thank you, Jennifer. I'm really glad that you loved the kit, and thank you for your purchase. Guys, that is it for today. If you like these tag books, please give me a big thumbs up. It really means the world to me. It helps the channel and the video doing well. And until Friday freebie, stay safe and well.